making a quick video showing how I got a US General 22-inch side locker to mount onto my Matco 4S box. Show you another angle here. And I added caster wheels to really hold the weight. So I had to modify this area, cut the trim a little bit. Had to drill new holes. That way I can put the Matco screw. Actually had to get a longer screw, but the same pitch and size. The gap is real nice. Now for the bottom, I had to make the height difference. So what I did was I did buy a pressure treated wood at Home Depot. I also had a little plate. It's a metal plate, this one right here. So this plate is about a 1/4 inch thick. I drilled the 4 holes and put a nut and hole. So I'm gonna put the part numbers on the description, and these are from Harbor Freight as well. So it's a nice setup. If I wanted to do the Matco locker, it would have been $4,000. I got this one on sale and I spent about $400. That's including the locker, the 2 caster wheels, the wood, the plate, and also these mats that I got at Harbor Freight. So it's a good deal. Saved $3,500 for a couple hours of work. Definitely worth it.